Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm very happy to share the latest collection of LV. First, let us discuss this very beautiful Damier Azur collection that will be launching April 17th. So first, we have the Speedy 20 in bandolier. Price is 2,770 USD. We have SKU here. So the material is Damier Azur canvas with cowhide leather trim. So what's different, as you can see, the top handle, it's a leather braided vachetta strap, which is so beautiful. Again, we have the classic pochette accessories. So we don't have the price, but please take a screenshot of the SKU. So same material of the Damier Azur coated canvas. This is the interior, like a pink colorway, and of course the vachetta leather strap is fully detachable, as you can see here. So this one, hopefully it would be better or maybe a little bit bigger than the classic Damier Azur pochette accessories. Then of course we have some SLGs. We have the Romy card holder. Price of this one is 590 USD. So Damier Azur collection. So the material is Damier Azur coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. Have you seen the interior, guys? I love the colorway of the banana yellow, and it seems there is like a design on the interior of the SLG. Then next we have the Neverfull BB inside out. Price is 3,100 USD. We have the SKU here. So of course, this Neverfull BB inside out is fully reversible. So one side is the Damier Azur coated canvas, and then the other side would be the blue olive leather, of course, calfskin leather. Then of course you could wear it either way. Next, of course, we have the Ivy wallet on chain. So this one price is 2,150 USD. So the Ivy wallet on chain is made of Damier Azur coated canvas. So this is how you're going to attach the strap. The strap, of course, is fully detachable, which is also braided. And of course, you have seen the pink interior, which is so beautiful with the combination of the Damier Azur coated canvas. And of course, as you know, my personal favorite and bias would be the Alma BB. So this time the interior is blue, as we could see here, but of course same material with the Damier Azur coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. Of course, it would come with the light blue olive colorway interior. Then of course it would come with detachable leather strap, lock and keys, and key closure. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now, guys, to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you, guys! Next, guys, so let us discuss new collection and other SLGs and bags. So first, we have the key pouch. So this one would be launching April 17th. So the material is empreinte leather with cowhide leather trims. As you're going to see the interior, it's like there is a floral design. Then of course, another different from this key pouch is there is like these pearl charms, which is so cute. So it comes with 2 pearl charms. Next on the collection, another SLG. So we have the Rosalie coin purse, price at 640 USD. So the colorway of the empreinte leather is in the hazelnut brown. So this is the interior, as you can see. So of course it's made of leather. Then there is floral design. Then it comes with the extra pearl charms. Next on the collection, so we have again the Rosalie coin purse, but this time in the colorway banana yellow. So price is still 640 USD. So this is the interior, like a light pink colorway with floral design and LV monogram. Then of course it would come with gold hardware, and it comes with the extra pearl charms as we could see here. So which color do you prefer? So next on the SLG, so it would come of course in the blood orange colorway. So I think this is more of my color. So Rosalie coin purse, same price at 640 USD. Please take note of the SKU. So this is the interior, like a darker pink colorway with still the floral design. So it comes of course with the extra pearl charms as we could see here. Launching April 17th this year. So next that we are going to discuss, so we have the Lisa wallet. So of course, it's still the same material, which is the upfront leather. However, this is from a different collection because it doesn't come with the extra pearl charms as we can see here. But as you can see how gorgeous is the zipper closure, it is the LV logo. Of course, the main material is upfront leather with cowhide leather trims. And then of course, the next that we are going to discuss would be from the wedding capsule that I have shared previously. So this time, guys, this is so gorgeous, slim trunk. Price only at 6,400 euro. We have SKU here. So the main material is silk satin, and of course it is embroidered with pearl. Colorway is off-white. It comes with detachable strap as we could see here. This is really gorgeous. Hopefully that they're going to make it perhaps in leather, then still embroider it with pearls, and definitely it would be longer lasting and hard wearing. Next, guys, so since we have more photos and prices of the rattan capucines, I'm going to reshare it to everyone. So first we have capucines mini. So this is from the Capucines Resort collection. Material is rattan with cowhide leather trims, and of course it is leather lined with detachable strap and gold hardware. This one, guys, so beautiful capucines mini. So this one, the material is rattan, so as you can see, with cowhide leather trims. Leather lining, colorway of the is denim pink. So close up, guys, I'm guessing hopefully this is made of denim, or if not, the leather is, it looks like made of denim. Then of course this is the back side of the capucines mini. Then of course another capucines mini. So this is the one that actually I was really so happy about, because of course the colorway is gold, and as you can see the top handle, it is like in the chrome finish. So as you can see, the leather chain strap is fully detachable. So this is the interior. So the body is still made of rattan. So this is the back side. I love the gorgeous detail that they have done from this rattan capucines. Then of course, if you want something bigger, then opt for the capucine size BB. So we have the SKU here. So please do take a screenshot. By the way, this is launching April 17th. So please check the website and your CAs for orders. So this time, the colorway is tan. Then of course, the main body is still made of the rattan finish with gold hardware. So next on the collection, so we have more capucines, guys. So launching April 17th. First, we have the capucines mini, price at 6,850 USD. Material is cerulean leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is red orange, of course the detachable chain strap, and it would come with gold hardware. So that is the interior. How gorgeous is this finish? So next colorway that we are going to discuss would be the galley gray colorway. So we have the capucines mini. This one I really do prefer. I love like the gray beige colorway combination. Then of course price at 6,850. Material is the very hard wearing and very beautiful cerulean leather. It would come with cowhide leather trims, and it would come with detachable leather chain strap. So next on the discussion would be the capucine size MM, so a little bit bigger, but the same material of cerulean leather with cowhide leather trims. The colorway this time would be desert burgundy. Then of course the top handle is like in the dark plum colorway as we could see here. Then it comes of course with gold hardware. Then it would come with detachable straps. There, did you enjoy our unboxing episode for today? So hopefully you did. So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a box emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!